Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are proud to present this Suzuki GSXS125. Registered the 30th of September 2024 on a 74 plate with only 2 miles, presented in pearl brilliant white and Titan black. The GSXS125 is well known for being the lightweight king of the streets, and it's clear to see why. With the best power-to-weight ratio and acceleration in the 125cc street class, this is the weapon of choice. A dependable, comfortable, nimble motorcycle that also delivers genuine Suzuki high performance. With its easy-to-read LCD display, LED headlight, single-cylinder 15 brake horsepower engine, 11-litre fuel tank and lightweight chassis, it's easy to see why these are a popular choice for new riders and commuters. This nearly new example is ready to ride away and benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.